Just saw.
Now I want to get Sean here, and he's going to get him in the video of him changing his air filter on his little Chevy Sonic. Yeah.
Beat up.
Yeah.
Fucker be rapping.
Let me take your car for a test drive, Kevin.
Yeah, that ain't happening.
I wouldn't want to drive that one anyway. I want to drive the WRX.
Yeah, I'm recording right now. Recording my brother taking off his air filter because Chevrolet decided that you're going to put Torx heads on the freaking air filter instead of clips. Like, that makes any sense? Like, look at this. Does this make any sense? Hey, get in. I mean,
Hey.
no, just no.
Hey.
Just no.
Hey, you got a open air filter we can put on here?
A what?
Open air filter we can put on here?
Um,
We can adapt to make work?
no. Maybe. No.
Like
No,
an
because
extra
see,
laying around that
because you
won't
got
work?
this right here.
We can make that work. I
We'd
can
have to
make that
cut.
work.
We'd have to cut it off like,
Both sides or something.
bro, right here.
I can cut all that bullshit.
Yeah, just cut this off right
Yeah,
here, and I can put
mount
open
it.
air filter right onto there.
Yeah, you got one I could do it with? Like laying around over? Up the house, extra parts and shit laying around?
Nah, I don't know. I have a 4-inch one I'm supposed to give to Amanda because it was going to be for my Subaru, but I didn't go with 4-inch. I went with 3-inch.
What's that? Like
It's
stuff.
the air filter.
Yeah.
Looks don't look
Ew.
bad, does it?
Let me see it.
It is. That's nasty looking.
Box is dirty.
And don't look that bad. Check it out.
That's what happened to me. I'm fucked.
Oh yeah, it's dirty.
Ew.
You can see the dust coming out of it. That's how you get the dust out. Just keep doing that.
Oh, I want to do it.
No, you'll break. You gotta do it easy.
And how you do it?
Give me it. Before you break stuff. This is just so you don't have to buy another one for a little bit longer.
Sean got a brand new one.
Oh, does he?
Yeah.
Oh, well, hell, he got a brand new one. Never mind then.
Yeah, fuck with this bullshit.
There you go then. It's installed. Never mind. Hey, but it's dirty, so yeah, it needed replaced.
Why is this one orange and that one's black?
As it depends on who makes it. That's all.
Sean, as soon as I'm done with this, I'm ready to go.
She's ready to go.
What's that? Tools?
Yeah, that's tools. See? Tools.
Oh, that does that. Oh, that does the same thing.
Apparently, there's music playing and I don't know what it is. So I can't tag it in this video.
How last, bro?
No, I ain't worried about it. I'm just not gonna tag it.
What are these things for?
Oh, that?
Yeah.
That's for your coolant. To let you know, I mean, not your coolant, but your Freon to let you know what kind of running your Freon to run in your air conditioner.
Like cleaner or something for you?
No, it's air freshener. I mean, air freshener. Jesus. Yeah. Air conditioner.
Air conditioner. Okay.
Air conditioning. Yeah. Freon goes inside of it.
Well, I'm gonna take this out.
Well, technically this one's R134A, so that's the stuff you need.
Make sure the kids
And
get
then
all
it
the
tells you
stuff
how
so
much.
Oh yeah, we got everything in the car already.
Yeah, I mean, and all that and everything.
Your blankets
Put
and
that
all
in
that,
the,
man.
Yeah.
Put that in the trunk.
This?
Throw it in the garbage can.
Ew.
Go throw it in the garbage. Go throw it in the garbage. Throw it in the garbage. Do it now.
Don't pat that. It's got nasty dirt on it. Go wash your
Yeah,
hands.
go wash your hands afterwards.
No, in the dumpster.
Dumpster!
Megan.
Dumpster over there. Dumpster. Dumpster. Dumpster.
I have to go wash my hands now.
Yeah. Kids, they don't listen to nothing. So, what are you doing there, Sean? Now what are we doing? What are we getting in here? What are we looking at? Put my hand down here and touch this. Ah, it's hot. No, I'm just kidding. It's not really hot. There was nothing I was touching. But anyhow. So I bought a drop-in open air filter, like K&N type deal. Put it in mine, but I think mine's an HKS or something. I can't remember what I bought.
I didn't know because you had all them cars up there and you was changing.
Oh yeah, you know I got.
Something like just that you wasn't using that I can put on that.
I don't know if I have a cone filter or not up there. I think I do, but I'm not 100% positive. But I know I got a brand new 4-inch, but a 4-inch is not gonna fit this. That's like a 2.5 or something. We're gonna have. I got dial calipers or I got dial calipers or they're digital. But anyways, I got digital calipers.
Tape measure.
Ah, well, and just right on top of it. And it's so much easier.
Oh, so what's
Oh, if you got calipers, man, yeah, we just use them. They're a hell of a lot easier than a tape measure. Mine does too, but I can read it without a battery. Yeah. Yeah, I'm certified machinist. Yeah.
Kevin, what's that for?
That means don't put your hand in the fan.
Oh!
Pretty much. That's pretty much like, yeah.
Where's the fan at?
It's like micrometer.
Right here.
Don't open this. Take this.
There's the fan down in there.
Well, I don't know.
Take
means
your
don't put your hand in
at the
there.
top. Hold it by the handle or hold it. Don't, it'll fall.
All right, that's it, YouTube. We're done for this for now. Later.